So today, I want to announce a custom-made program called the JIO Prime membership program only for current JIO customers and JIO customers who join us on or before the 31st of March this year. All of these JIO customers can enroll for the JIO Prime membership for a full year for a nominal one-time fee of only Rs 99. Enrollment will start from the 1st March and will remain open until 31st March 2017. The JIO Prime members are eligible for some amazing benefits. 1. JIO Prime members can continue enjoying the unlimited benefits that they have got used to during the JIO New Year offer for another 12 months until 31st March 2018. Only the JIO Prime members can get this tremendous value for a rock-bottom introductory price of only Rs 303 per month, effectively just Rs 10 per day for another full year. Today is a historic day. JIO launched its services on September 5th of last year. Today, just 170 days later, JIO has crossed the 100 million customer mark. A heartfelt thank you to each and every one of our customers from all of us at JIO.